At this time, when the world you knew is being taken over and changed, and the new normal is deception, masked censorship, and uncertain financial futures, absolutely nothing is more freeing and certain than the ability to live debt-free and rent-free in an insulating, non-toxic, stormproof, fireproof, flood-proof AirCrete home that you built with your own hands. I would like to thank the October AirCrete school students for being the amazing people that they were and the great job that they did building this amazing tiny house slash shower house. I would also like to invite you to attend an AirCrete alternative building school this spring on April 5th for a 7-day event teaching you how to build off-grid Pueblo-style rectangular AirCrete tiny houses. Learn AirCrete, slip forming for speedy, simplified, high-speed building, AirCrete safety engineering, how to design and build your own solar power systems, how to install your own air conditioning systems, how to catch water, how to plumb a house and wire it, as well as how to build an odor-free, worm composting flush toilet system. Basically, everything that you need for a functional off-grid home to support your life. Click the link in the description below to discover the details of this amazing learning experience and come meet like-minded people and develop the confidence that you can do this for yourself and for a better and more certain life.